na okay SMD bebree walanra Ghana Premier League outstanding game I call so enra on nsem Habib substitution Habib Edward na also restraining no Okoro nko de so ni mu no Seydou Amadou Koko coach so in fact there's another picture go as a coach no one no ben kakra
coach ben say coach is name you
no coach
but in this case na Gazelle
Gazelle no me no
I'm say Gazelle can send be share no touch line wa ni anje ho
Emre yi no
o say sabio nkwasi abo ben na original ball ni mu bo no na e dey confusion e ba ya
Never answer so. Na Matisse is dressing room do you use you?
I know them nyanti. And the dressing room.
As it keepers me, you know.
Oh, Sunday old issue. Kotkone has game no.
I say management afraid coach say Oma we now is there.
Dabi. I know I'm say sa Kotkone has no Razak Abalora ye mistake be ma Felix Anan Bijina touchline hot tian the kakra. Emma player no react here. So but clearly I think player coach relationship with Kumasi Asante Kotoko no there's a bit of a problem, but you be rasa case with say BYT or say BYT be chechemu eyewitness
yes absolutely nice. Because or Techima no it on me who I mean on you who their course nyina then the see what touchline wa e go ba say afina BYT way na o me hu de e course what touchline because the urban pictures are you who near you know there any good at all. I was Asante Kotoko no almost share na omutimi solve this new marketing where your picture in your or Seydou Amadou sorry
welfare equipment officer
sorry
equipment officer
and now what so you know
Issa Amadou.
I can say Amadou. Issa Amadou. Okoronko. In fact, Okoronko, you can't know some is in here. Yeah. It's Hano, no or Chenocon. But to be shown mu. And look at everybody. And Johnson Smith is not why disappointed.
Johnson Smith also draining. Or no draining. So no, as I'm non count.
On count was I say.
Oh, now so you play a free one. There be who changes. Of course, idea ta enya de fufro. Say you play a free na ne boafu. Normal. Idea cost of food. In fact, Juma cry bo oba Juma obutumi fu. Into bufo there. Most especially when ujina wiaso a obobo sa ne there na nioma bebre wadwe mu ne wakoma mu nyina no nioma bi nhye dan twaye. But I think this whole problem started from the from training. Emra omo yes omo bobo starting 11 no one ebe 6 one ebe 8 one ebe 4 one ebe 5 okay BYT aba say BYT be my nya sa eyewitness reports we will also yes here the facts say to me gather as far as our case we are concerned, but let's base on record say even Dele Jose Mourinho Pep Guardiola no nyina no face challenges be say play free bench na into Kwabe Brisa. So it's normal, but I think we have to get into it.
BYT now then on where
the Koba and say first half no referee 2 minutes ebe kire I say 45 na so nti mu wona na Kimfasa for ne dominate efisinya akomona mfimfini won nti omu ye change e de Kwame Adomfrempon ebem e was at that time no ma nti Adom
that's say am
first half na so 45 and 2 minutes no Adomfrempon ko obam na referee point
nti Adomfrempon 9 crown
David owura park no so na no na ye time I pon wi no
me sure say no be kan maybe a big gwabu say dey because honestly you think that and then memo half time you say
from the recess no more banner back
half time na so wi
eti Habibu kon o free akọ omo dagout no na as a okonya no de as na we sini trase eti okọ na oben ho na no e no turning e call dina okonya no kaza disa Amadu hu fast e no okọ bam no e wo Johnson Smith nti oba me ana still o pese o ka bibi o ye bibi kire
o de chairman Johnson Smith ana
Smith ene Ghazali nze no obi akwa nim say o direct to Ghazali eti ebi a chena say Johnson Smith yi na ni kura te say de on de enye onti yeah eti enu an o mo ye ana okotena ase enti okotena ase na wadwa pa na o share ne kadibisa o share na black one na waye din onte match no ko mo point no na ni movement ni bia no nka players no kra na omudi ka be na say waye deeper na odi besini ekum enti mi gidi ye say after sa ade no ye no ankasa enu no enti na anza make say after goal na almost say anza goal no so ba late 84th minute enti kotoko win we na team ne besina kona na obi anim o hwe obi afeshi expression out to say yes obi ani age na ono na was team no besine ekoya ase na okotena ka nkwa na me de na me monitor na nsa na me ko post match me say ba ndi me du kwa na omudi kwa mpoko free kotoko team bas ni makose management ka mu ana ono nyo no na e ba e minim de na no soku e be koso de bet
kwa mbogu ko tag ko management team
amu yi ni free
so oyeska
amu yi ni free
onam ho his money
nti ade na esi ye ne de na ahomte ko na kotoko ni bia dwa se enye the right time or say we yes sir I can face ase ya nka
ban invoke asem bi si ayebisa say na no dey ni see clearly playing body no said you kind am say nyama kitikiti bi hihye bi ho nyama kitikiti hihye nkofo ho ebi mu feel say they are favorites of management. That's how they feel.
No, I think it's about Ghazali is a lot more. It has a lot more to do with Ghazali.
In fact, the last time I'm the Jake conversation only play me over me let me is drop a kakavity players be feel say management will say in selection.
No, but this is not chairman management situation.
Me ba they make onion tia say feel say I say way to get my rainbow any side no it's a player no crown no that's what I'm saying the player if you know if you no feel say if you any change no crown yet if you baby
well
the meaning is what
from what the boy has told his representatives Omobubo starting 11 now Muka somebody ne kwa kobo 6 no osra mpanyimfo say enye ne natural position
ono kanza
yes because oye he's lost his place in the Black Stars until I'm person surrounding circumstances no ka Black Star team ne ho say see ono afirima mani nuanu mienu omobo 4 and 5 Mubarak ene Ismail Gani una ura Black Star nim
e jo feel say munyina mu nim hu bi ne
enti
asem ma ne mo no
so Pepe bebo 6 it means say nipa Casemiro no boss 6 no wepra enti emergency situations na be ma center back akobo 6
and e be so strategic
strategic
I mean
okay, fine it's strategic
your strategy
yes also akobo 6 no but even Messi Lionel Messi Ronaldo no sometimes they have a bad day if you have a bad day it does not mean you're a bad player
exactly
number 2 as a player or boss our position yes center back no him say all boss 6 no pass nya na dia or ya dia wo ho because or center back the entire did the baba o the center back be boss 6 ni say oh maybe nkofo no use air ball into ball no ba na wap him so from what I hear and say Olusu or make it two wrong passes and all the ball no chair in Premier so which Obian himself passing and yet the qualities of an average center back out in a Kwakobo 6. So what do you do then?
How you going to pass in that bad?
Of course. So even if you're a coach, I'm not in any way defending what the player did. Okay. Of course, wapacha inti ono ankasa jitum say wayemfum so bi no cry dia to but the surrounding circumstances. So what do you do? Pep Guardiola of course Oscar Mingueza Barca for Koma uniform around the 38th minute.
Pep Guardiola on Aguero.
Yes. Oh, me videos in your players need there. A city because we're in a normal circumstance, but of course it's Kotoko a local news. We have to discuss it extensively. It's a player na ball no. Ne drew 45 minutes. Near the 2 minutes. Simami enupe na atoso. Simami enupe. Player now didn't wura mu no. 9 kabo. Na referee pon ye. nipa no de ne bob 6 na mu aka kyerɛw na ɔsɛ free park ne so ba den na yɛ pempia ya yehu mo se coach na kɔ ne nkyɛn na coach ne de ne nsa bɔ n'akyi ana ɔde ne nsa ato ne kom na aka asɛm bi agu na sum player no asɛm bi ana ɔmo sɛ Mbappe, Ronaldo, Mesut Ozil, Messi mu nyinaa no ɔmo bufu ɔmo sɛ oh coach ne pɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛkyerɛm player no okay until the once no akɔtena bench ho issue esi hɔ no abutu yɛma no ne coach on fan sha no atoato baabi no kasakasa oben sado man ni mu nyinaa no ma yɛ bi pɛn na circumstances no the timing of the change look your coaches na was so musua de se player elbow ball na emfa ɛno nkyɛ sɛ wɔsa ɔsesa player no nye de bia na ɛsesa player bu a ɔsesa formation no bu a ɔsesa system no bu also man another chance oh why you way so he feels disrespected. He's a senior player. Oh, Black Star him. What number 6 man lose to the Black Star position. Oh, Bobo na assistant coach. But you can't
say that to a player.
And you see, Ghazali should be very careful because already you must someone or management that in some more coach or Facebook or someone. And that board meeting, when I'm sure say that board meeting, no matter here is already 32 minutes into the board meeting. Almost dream how they replace Kwame Poku, but this issue will certainly come, and the quality of the technical team of Kumasi and Kotkosisiano, they'll discuss it. So, I think board no management no should investigate. And seriously, the boys are not playing for the coaches. Because me catch him say na me call a producer for the good of the show. I'll go and do my production. Production no kwai ya dada. Nya afa na bibia hu bi. Nti say na say ka say Felix Anan emebo 8. Na Felix Anan to me ka say coach wa him say 8 no there. Men fa me bobo 8 ni sa na. That means boys now they are not willing to die for the coach. They are finding excuses. And that is a major problem.
I just say ebia Asian what Chelsea I say Chelsea bobo match heading na ni bakono obo ebi a left wing ni strong in Chelsea do go two or the coach me too the new position
yeah and in cases like this I was so open communication only player need din komo ubiem why are you not play I think say Habib problem is a board me nya be more maybe ball kakra na me mistake so na coach yem we him afrim o him afrim so na o say di matem and into the CAF pro license no oh no all right ma hu sem Piso Mosumani no mo kra Piso elali coach no ko school na tete kire na de because CAF the pro license number ye for no omo sanko ye pro no na omo
na ho na general
na teta Mikala teta
can ye go can
Mikala teta na na kire enu de enu kra enu
na me pesa o kire
oh one de enu kra na Mikala teta
na Mikala teta kire na de
ye Piso Mosumani only coaches bebre omo ye CAF pro license no
fantastic
senior or sounds Mosumani or follow me on Twitter
okay
so me Hanet say hey coach like
Piso Mosumani
follow me back on Twitter
oh that's nice
elali coach wa Champions League
o follow
Yes.
Obanka kanji wa efe.
Di otre to ono na me so me carry na me say hey I did the time hu a na ni beju ba cha me hwe ade bi je obi ka about Kotoko players no o ya Kotoko ni elimina sacks na team sheet ni say ejare e de be ma yesisi ya unza na 2 goalkeepers na te bench e make 18 squad
aye obviously no mo so the players be prepare
no mo prepare aye chairman media me so me tin say ebi mu nya willing to play and me yare me ho mfa me ne ade no eso course with team
it has to do with man management Chris remember also the Babizanko Obio coaches are supposed to be managers
yes
virtually
yes
they tia who's England they say managers yobu emra Mauricio Pochettino call Tottenham no a coach no a manager or coaching kakra no mu promote you know the same thing with Arteta Mikel Arteta Obasanjo for no a coach head coach
of the first team
a train and no promote you know a manager so them if you are the manager you all the other coaches report to you
absolutely
manager me kai me we come the many Kotoko Santos South Africa. Stephen Odro, I mean, Kotoko best player. On any day, Okata when you go, Stephen Odro now go first. That day, Esmeralda dropping. Esmeralda the night before the game told Odro the entire drop on. Okatreno. Also, what Shem Kofoni clips are any match for him because Kofoni is physical, so he wants to play 8 physical players. Or see 8. Okatreno say 8. Enti evivi ono. Or the Fuseni Adams mo name be Jejo mo be bunya. Or me mo money kikri. So ba me na be mo obahwe even maybe at the last 20. Yeah. Be an Kofona brand one. Okatreno. Yeah. Anyone no newie. Yeah. Or chechire the move because he felt that he was his best player at that time. Kwame na squad for drum count. But a Ghanaian coach feels that na so mama Kenya go place. Stay ayi Masokrodro na asoma ba no is okay bi. Emma na mu nyeso so ka say ta kwaro ma hwin ya. Ado de be team na zan we jawa kwaro. Ummo bi ne busa so na say de waka no so dey go play. I don't go to you the can here there. No, I mean
titimre ni mu no na Facebook ni o na Twitter ni o na WhatsApp ni o. Exactly. Abrabo na nkasa aye bo nyina no ni o mo bebre asesa.
And now background in the TV.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, do to be busa.
Absolutely.
For explanation.
Absolutely.
Can you so ya tian say unjam kra no. Uti busa ndi obedi. Say nobody then.
Ose me kondo.
Ose me ko me pewe. First no ya wo fufuo ubedi adi uni akoda. Oh, and then you must
bunch no board any go wow babe wow.
Exactly. And then you must sentence you who have to do with players.
Absolutely.
You want to say oh Grand Caribbean.
Yes.
When I'm your coach, I say papa.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
When you know you do money after.
Absolutely. It's our angle of respect no. And who here papa ye. They me chat to na Christian Abem. Habib Mohammed wo GDSA onimboche Mubarak Wakasu Mubarak
yes Yusuf Mubarak
any Ismail Ganiwa na or sa GDN woni trim as a player ono so sa adwene woni trim say woni trim sa dia on drop sa adwene no eno so betumi ha no enti bibia no be react but that aside and of course his apology a good so apologize but this is a situation where the club will have to institute some internal form of investigation into what happened. And the behavior of Gazali. Because what I hear from training grounds, they say, go are training crack Koswa. Johnson Smith, there's all this on pen was Mapo pen was oh now go a Mapo edge na touchline or yet troubles a Gazali a boa bang munina ho.
Now, anyway, this is Habib Mohammed tweet. Ne Twitter handle at Habib Mo 17. I say, by the way, I'm really sorry to the family of Kotoko and everyone about what happened. I totally understand that I went wrong. I'm really sorry once again, family. We all want the best for Kotoko. And Sunyani eno otwiti sa you know eti ne dia on the Twitter on the Twitter Christian this is what happened then clearly I mean Bibiacha said there's coach you know and you say I say you're certain say ABC because maybe to never some neighbor you say me na make kwakoye me was certificate I just say be me hodi e be a masters in e be a marketing you say you here so be marketing manager e wa ha ene me na me obi beben ene wo field no ne nim adwuma no it is okay ene say dia you throw people so dia be say me na me marketing manager but practically on the marketing manager
that's me kai
it will bring a problem
asem we say
Gazali certificate ene you trust on the head coach
asem me start chairman me
ene Johnson Smith the coach
asem we me kai see bedru asi ni edru ha me sure say player bia any so dey hu say obenya playing time every player oko training match day you expect obenya playing time enti it happens say player wanya playing time a chairman hano because na juma why no you don't progress when you're not playing competitive football there be as a train now oh yeah chairman you are not making any progress but Habib who say ono wabo abra no biti bench
There are times I will Habib was starting game, no beat bench. That person never got angry. Unyeni pansini any pakrono. There are times you will be a film. I'm a wababebo. You did not get angry. Some level of disrespect, chairman. Enya kotokonkwana will show disrespect. You know, even the player that was coming to take his position. One for Buamano.
Exactly.
Player now no. I born I for ni. It's name on the on commentary. In fact, from commentary position, Obia near born in this the performance. I am very, very bad on that day. Was Habib. So the coaches had every justification to take you out. Okay? So being Pawasamoa, I dare bet me that justify your stay in an institution is your performance. And no Habib, the 44 minutes or so now boy, sen ka bobo ni ya, it will not matter so be Pawasam, gain you film. Anka say oya management member boy you, say onya ni boy you, coach Pawasamo. In fact, coaches in any management members now say be amount for a gang say omo nem Pawasamo no. Omo na ho na bobo no. The Bianca sign. So one opportunity was given to you. NSN can make a very good case. Benra from commentary position, Obianco Manu Diane say Habib. In fact, there are times a position Habib Bono. I know one team mono. Wababoni. There are several times Habib are more center back. Number 6. Even and your first time number 6 no Obi Mikai say Tamakotoko Ebo Confederation Cup no. CK time. There were times Habib Bobo 6. 86 in the and your first time Habib Ebo 6 in here wa ba and in most cases Habib excel. So if Obi and for
it's somehow say no excel here. Is it right for the coach to tell him say Kwasiabon?
Oh, me bahonum, but me see in a film ni there.
Two
performance and say Enra Abubi on the same position. Oh yeah, dear. Benra, why nyadi you a film? There's enough justification why should be taken out.
No, but the guy was provoked.
Obi, I'm coming there.
Yes, I was so. Somehow.
No one. Me say there's enough justification per your performance. Why you should be taken out?
Exactly.
Oh, I know my shape.
No. David Thomas.
No, I know my shape. But say I
find and there.
How many balls did Kwame Frimpong lose?
Oh no. Shano. Shano say. You should Kwame Frimpong beba. Asama Christian can say the coaches had justification why they are taking you out.
Yes, there's no doubt about that.
That established.
Yes,
good.
They have the power.
I know. Say, oh yes, sir. The power ban so who put you have any attitude that the power ban will be feeling disrespected. And the all player there are times I want bo. I'm on comfort trenching. There are times I you go from my old bone in every year. It's no established. Then we come to the other side of the coach's provocation. So it is not just one complete situation.
And Habib is still a Kotoko player. You don't kill his confidence permanently. And then what I see a Kotoko player. Yami Aduma Kotoko next game biano say Habib available. Coaches have every right to select him. Chairman, such a player. Abro your player there. One day not a performance no that bad. Chairman, you don't kill his confidence. Maybe I will be bad. You say you pat his back. Explain to him, say, and then on the field.
Today is a bad day for you.
And then on the field, yabo game we know. We in a film now, crowd coaches. Why do you do that? Why do you make that comment to your own player? Who him say on the day you are above very fine football. Habib abo national team abro Obama Santi Kotoko. So on the day Habib any a very bad day no. Chairman or a player who coach in Nakasa sometimes you even have bad days. Even coaches. Bibia settle down no. Chairman, you call him to office, you explain to him why Neman know any wrong and try to point say how about man right.
Every player no Busana Park and answer I didn't much change me.
No, you don't do that. You don't do it.
In situation like that, so Busasa Grana as the head coach and as Penino, that's why you show leadership. Ebia Nyabotre, I will explain to you. And I say, "Bia, okubusa don't watch him now." To the come say, and I say, "Oh, when a bad day, it happens to anybody.
It happens to anybody."
So coach, eka sabi because you're born now, but the honors have you go shit as man.
He went to the street.
So the come down man go hanga.
Some will hold that. One who into that some no who picking this context in Kwana. Asem no asem bi se besia na shase free training no.
That's assembly or order.
Assembly or order that. You were Gazelle boys. Any you were more uni Gazelle afandi and now Johnson Smith.
Coach is me no coach team.
Coach, you see the reaction of Johnson Smith. What you know? I don't have a problem. That's why I want us to look at all the surrounding issues. We'll come to a proper. The guy has apologized. What he's done, no one is. No, Unia Reese, general manager Hollard.
Yeah.
I say I disagree with you. He needs to be punished severely for showing gross insubordination. This will serve as a deterrent to others. He's not an exceptional player. Agreed. But if we are not careful, this sort of situation will happen again.
Because there will be another player.
Because there are certain surrounding issues that have not been settled. For a player to tell the coach, say, me more 6. Me more 6. Ball list, no. Me more 6.
Other players, you can't be saying something like that.
So, what is the problem? That's why I want us to...
Who players, CS for
6 no okwakobono. 6 no okwakobono. O person obo 4 ni 5 ni bi. No who obo. Na Black Stars your friend. The problem anu no.
It your feel say
6 no obono. Your friend midfielders for Black Stars. Yen fane nka ho.
It your feel say coach no. A preference, a premium, no asama.
It's a me bisa question. Na Julian is only Bochai, Ganim, any Mubarak na.
Ozo sa de onyi fina.
Onyi fina Julim non compete.
Me take baby how dey corner say na say u feel so boy na Julim no. That's Julim yan say. Central defense man boy. People go says no go win mase.
There's a problem somewhere. There's a problem somewhere. That's why I want them to investigate this issue properly. Not and spread it. And spread it for a coach to react in that way. Player now didn't burn half time. Nenayan carbon ye change no. Nenayan carbon ye change. Sorry, ye pawn first half. So then partner Habib no ye was our first 45 minutes now. Player now didn't ban or burn one a referee pawn ye. Change burn no. Pep Guardiola mo or ye change that after the 70th minute.
Different.
Oh, so me check him. Oh. Sir Raheem Sterling no who's who wings wa no man have be 9. Sir Raheem Sterling 9 no who's no man akoball left and right. Ube change players now within the same setup. Or shene fa no assistant system no assistant formation no. And sana substitutions are basically the last resort because player bet me pra. Goalkeeper bet me pra, defender bet it was a false changes obey. Into and sana obey change no. One dream one question was that be a change ya me as soon fast for anything. So what would have prevented the coaches to have waited till halftime? Because player no them the 9 carbon a referee point. Into the issue we can of course the player need me cry no kan no pay disciplinary committee near friend no church ni nsem near friend technical team no so church o mu nsem. Then we launch a small investigation to the core of the matter. Why is the player not happy? Is he the only person?
Who launched the investigation? Management. Are you also aware that there are certain players who feel that management have their favorite players?
Oh, of course.
And are always convincing the coach to play them.
Of course, throw it to the press. Oh, the favorite players. It's there. Of course, that right. But I'm saying in this particular situation, the roots of the matter. There could be a lot more of the players who are not happy.
I understand, but genuinely, maybe I'm going to go management and I'm punishing Habib. I feel that you don't put up such an attitude in a full glare of everybody. So coach Nick can ask him then you report him to management. In fact, no reporting to management. The CEO say this is what is happening. The other people who are also with a certain conspiracy theory feeling that there's a calculated attempt to get Habib play bad, then the contract the renewing. then if he's left to go and I said, "Okay, I know what to be more." That there's another school of thought. I don't so. But generally, I mean, this is what happened. And
Habib situation now. What lose the national team call up no. Felix Anangonye day. Felix Anangonye day.
That's a Felix Ninja.
But you don't see Felix putting that attitude, training grounds, and I say even on match day.
Felix fought with Razak Abalora. Kotoko has. Yes.
Amuku, and there's some dressing room.
Amuku, stadium hall, but cameras now capture.
That is the point.
So it
happened. No, but if it happened, it happened.
It happened.
Then it means that's then Kotoko have been sitting on a time bomb. Because this issue, Mekaisa and they who raises serious concerns about that, Christian, about this coaching thing, the conflict we remember.
Yeah.
And when someone feels that because if I'm not there, you cannot have a coach. And it's at Manchester and they're going to go board and they are going to discuss coaching nonsense. But I mean, generally, if you are looking at it, as much as are only happy with something that has gone on, so coach in the first of all, coach in the see, far from substitution, Habib, if you're having a bad day, you can be substituted. A player was substituted in the 17th minute.
Yeah.
17th minute. Habib, you are not a super player. You remain. If the coach was trying in midfield, because they constantly has said on this program, so no coach about Habib 6. Yeah. Because Habib to be progressive ball very well. Etebia coach the TN so and our head no so ebia my men try ebia now soon to be mobile. He wanted to try and realize that no, it's not working. It's not working. And we decided to obey you a film. So you a film. Fine. As the player table say I don't know you a film. The coach was also wrong to have said because you're born now, what I say, you don't
diction and tone language is very important in communication.
What I say, it's so important. And when to but to charge on, I say, Yenya man ko coach in there. No. Hey, I say Yenya sa.
Na sa two center backs na Ebona Emma Habibi nyabi mono. Chairman, Ohe Kotoko performance league we mono. They have the best defensive record in Ghana Premier League. Abreka say. This our players now, Omobona Emma won't be more center back no. They are performing. A Felix any Kwame Ban situation be new. Felix Tinchen, Kwame Beda. You cannot make a very good case for Felix because Kwame Bana Ordano was putting up such a good performance. Even though Felix is a very good goalkeeper. Player now, Bebeji Felix position, he was making a very good case. Now the two center backs now in recent matches, Chairman, are they bad?
No.
In fact, they are the best center back partnership. Ghana Premier League in terms of goal conceded, they are the best. Now there be a mere footwear. Me forbid the mommy. I do want to say, Chairman, Sembetu say only Chairman Kwame Dinkra air kwa. I will not show stance. Oya kwada, you work in an institutions. When you see two bosses fighting, be very careful where you show your allegiance. It might be management na kuntokwa. It might even the two coaches na kuntokwa. As a player, be very careful where you show your allegiance. Because one day the two coaches will patch their differences. What about a third person? One day the two coaches now management now what was so allegiance to one person here. You put such a performance, such a behavior, no. But one is something far from near come masem no makabum. Who player now? Who show allegiance to one party? No, what can see him? Some of these attitude there happens. Player ball person playing time no ball. But what playing time now is all bono. Unso sini do ti bench you from mobile bono. Show respect to your colleagues. Respect them. When you know to play and register mo.
But on the other side, I feel say if truly he was verbally attacking Gazeli, not just to draw say on your then there is a serious problem. Then it means there is a serious problem. Because ordinarily, also Tiano say, hey, don't do that.
Someone, no bench next no. Our Munya Kotoko for, or Munya King Fazer for, no one a free player, no catch a cool down.
Na Johnson Smith now.
Oh, no, it's a picture clear. Other than say go nebo no dreaming or share the match.
No ba so oga chenze Habib Jaji o ye natrasi.
Say see one head coach.
Ore said there Okoro Nkonso ekopota no na. E kire se bibi wo ho they in the team no. They know
there's a problem. There's a big problem playing body relationship with players and playing body relationship with coaches. There's a big problem in there.
Well, Sama Asante Goroko, Enra, of course, we're going to go won the game all right. Now, Enra, so start times. Per the original, you know, match on be you. Somewhere away there, per original, you know, no match on be and clank on be. And clank on be. Tachima. Omanko.
Oma bread.
Omanko. Omanko. And they are wholesome.
Yeah.
So would they be sanctions?
Sanctions for start time. Nobody will come as them. Start times going. Young come as them. Until come as them. On I go to right. They are turn right not to be behind their momo. And right, imagine say, cause start times need exclusive rights for broadcast and online and those things. Kodoko Ken Pfizer could have shown this match online. I'm for best subscribe. Let's say 2 cities. Imagine the amount of money the clubs would have made. And see, I'm thinking, especially this time, you need to Nippon Stadium. No, what they should have done is say clubs now. If there's an online, you need the right, you need the other academic clubs. No matter, cause start times in you say you know, no online, no matter the home. They start time being live on TV, no online, only start time any clubs in Beche. Online subscription. No. Not clubs and just can come you know. Can find a match over you know or them. Because against Kotoko, not say the amount for people Ken Pfizer could have made more than 100,000 Ghana cedi from this game.
Absolutely.
Obiaje right no think is only. And I can find that too. And Tachima for no raw ball.
Ayo, a match at Tachima for the rail.
Oh, I'm going.
Almost Tachima for if
you see behind closed doors, I'm going.
In fact, now last Sunday, Tachima for no Mugupo Kotko bench next. I'm going to cool it down, Habib. I'm going to name a summer course. It's not about name behind closed doors. No, behind closed doors.
Behind closed doors.
Behind closed doors.
How many Lagos cities? No, one thing never was one kind. Bugu Stadium, Kohe Ball.
11 Wonders.
11 Wonders in Lagos cities.
Yeah.
Omba Stadium.
Stadium.
Pa, Obi from Busa Obia. Me radio stage baby. Nam sana monkai. Also Busa na. Other no mobile say you do light. See you do light. Only be behind. It's Omba Stadium. Oh, also when so you're paying for no. Now omuka ohonsam. Okay. Young to swear, but you can't Ken Pfizer and Santiago. I'm going to go win a game, you know. Any one says Habib behavior, oh yeah, you know. Johnson Smith, Akasa at the Afaho. Yet, Coach Johnson Smith.
Oh, because I don't feel there or fine. But to play the other issue that joins us, and she said, all by Nama and Akasa, because all the now 15 minutes time, we cool down. Oh, I know the young Kasa answer, I young ones.
Johnson Smith. Onya ya answer wa. Or on one answer wa. Okay, that's it. Abu Bati.
All right. I don't know. Okay. We say behind closed doors. The stadium has no doors. And Nana said, the stadium has no doors. I didn't know about stadium. I'm a hair. Well, I'm not. The answer to the BYT Combo Boni, Kwampuku. On the management card of the tries is it a precious is a precious mineral. You need him, and I understand they're gonna go making some good money. Yeah. And so far figures and then I'm about here 600,000 euro, 300,000, $500.
You didn't hear euros so for 300 cash, 200 other components.
Other components in Zedin.
Number of matches played.
Number of. I guess. I didn't put of course, I know agency and starting when into those things because normally na deals are and also my top player no. Oh, bounce up for to me say so about 20 matches also mutia say claim add-ons.
Barcelona a Coutinho case here. Or Mosnezi could chase come
exactly. Inti ni na we yenra say na Techiman Park here and o video na maunya an idea and ready play good stadium no and this is a match that was behind closed doors.
Techiman all the closed doors in Yejuma ho.
Obviously the stadium has no doors. You can't. It's any ni poho na man for ho.
Achawa this is a court concord Techiman. This season court concord. To make sure say no sa natural attraction.
Understand that there's a Spaniard, a German, and another coach. I got to call say Omitia solve some coaching problems. Now the head is some for coach now. Gazelle might leave now. Joseph Smith Aka as assistant, and only the yet it Asante got to call and so I don't know. Well. Yes, a Brazilian striker. You know what? Obi,
foreign-based striker, but my name so a Brazilian. Yeah, but the problem is
Fabio Gama and go for this happen.
Oh, problem is from the board. What I hear is half season or the foreign-based player. Half season player was also the
Fabio Gama.
Fabio Gama, but it's not Chroma check. Emma Maxwell, Manu, Coach Maxwell, Predu Mani trainings. Into adaptation or the foreign player, but. Halfway into the season because striker no Babeshe Kwame Poku no he has to hit the road running nya afa na Ghana aduane onim di afa na ode na yire ne ma ye bepe dan ama no omo Ghana Premier League ne da afa na obehwe matches ni bi sani akotkoye Fabio Gama no nipa no oba ya no Kwame Poku adwuma oye no eno na oba be ye wabo Premier League ni da o she goals ni da onim sani terrain ni sitie onim sani defenders ni si ball mo ball onim senior park various pitches ni city onim the various venues onim the attitude of the referees onim coaches ne kra binum dada. That's why the board is insisting on a local replacement, but a foreign player is also on the cards. But I'm saying no Mbegwagu.
It's Brazilian player. Fabio Gama by inti.
Season ne ba na wie now the ne ba. Also bet now be bosume baako no ane nanam KJT afa makom afa bantima hu sane awia no krabo o mamu ahwe aduane diem then he adapts now what start season no na sane season aba na first round aba na we ko second round na fe na the Brazil ni ba that be chairman
well get it will back touching so bobogata no abrante no say asante ko ko so mo hwe no de replace Kwampoku Iva Kwampoku. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so Hearts of Oak say Hearts of Oak and so eager to sign Kwame Prepra, but reporter means that one shall not Hearts and Yano. Who's an accord to go penal? And Hearts and so penal. Hearts of Oak, I understand on my table a very good offer of some $20,000.
Okay.
For the player. Okay. Na Kotokonso and so table on there anyone will transfer anyone else. Wow. But Georgia Mwakong any can find some penny for no Epic Dreams Diano. Dreams FC report that a deal on the bano. Sikane ye. And onward transfer so more proposal 40%. Okay. To Kim Pfizer. It looks like all the others. Obiano or they can find that onward transfer once a year.
Okay.
But Dreams at the onward transfer no year BT others. No?
Okay.
But Hearts of Oak, Badikaka, say Omania break and talk about for there. Eya no aswa can be next can be the kind and now me say eya larger can be now around all he sad when you can find and paying food in komo nti eno so mu guso Victoria Adebayo de no so hard to get close to a deal so meet me we na Victoria Adebayo ababe Hearts of Oak omonso a player well Jake number me to train komo kakra afri eye NCC na so eye e wa Asante Kotoko na the atenza na Kwame Danko no makoje kan.
Okay.
Omakoje Maxwell du car no omakoje na car no omoje omni masola kan say o de management some de be man no ono so every management no se management de man no na nso a omo abehwe kwan bi omo tia sorti ena omo san ka che management so omo so baso car no de aba no Almost will be almost person man so chon man so na ya. Oma be sorted, hoping that me a gene fin. No man be dating at the end we be able to rest. We come to say, and you're good for the club at Santi Kotoko. Say, Sanyo Manemo in ba for a year between your coacher. Obedi Juma Edemo, Mumudi say, and Yadia Ikayi, it's an essay and no, and so and in summer home. And my own news how do I know something from him? Goalkeeper Richard Ofori to miss Ghana double-header due to injury. While reports say injury but and yet it's not likely he'll miss it. And yet that's serious. Maybe I year now Richard Ofori Yanyano for Ghana South Africa game. No, even your boss South Africa South told me. Now 2 games. No, they had to say the technical handlers of Asante of Black Stars. Ama Kodogovanta says the Kwampukubi.
Okay.
Kwampuku is part of the team. And nothing kono company for ne USM for na can say Kwampuku be join it obeko USM after the Black Stars games. Jobo Black Stars matches in the year. Na Kwampuku ko. Kwampuku die LA Halad die bio. Just so buy na season no grand no be asunmu. Was at that time Real Madrid ne Barca ne Man City Chelsea mo obi ama ne scouts he was almost full season me no. That one was somebody more full season. Go Bob half of a season and almost father of the Nikoi. Now, minimum no matches so ever Europe and see. Yeah, we have about later in the show. I'm on some now Andy Eddie Rapid Nyoma up the Amay. Unim say a man for a trap bet, a man for D. Betting no betting companies not those. Your betting company boa. Wako trap bet no what do you know? No about the catchers or we mistake. Christian is asking me that.
Ani.
Now sometimes men people have a conversation.
Ani. Omo di bed the old moment so ko bobra. Ade achi omo so omo ye mistake.
Omo ye mistake odds no.
Tomon twes can over bet 3 billion. Young boys are say omo nya cash and come
no. Omo the same grano. And some crazy can no mo di dan get mistake.
Be.
Enunti your betting company your friend no Betboro.
Wow.
Betboro. Abba Eddie Ghana for a new sports betting arena. I say all live betting. Say games in the cost to be right. Manyafo from a very Betboro.
Is it
the BYT Ebu Yamam. Is it and then Messi birthday to say and also you sugar. Oh it's okay. And it's Betboro Ghana. And they say about you come for Eddie Amount. Mr. Baby Awobiano. Unim say Omo up to 400 cities in free bets. Omo chop 400 cities. 7 bet. That's how we do music. We be no hefa. A Betboro. Nti and once they say make us call www.betboro.com.gh. Betboro near BETBORO. Na watcha obet. And so El Honum. Sports is our passion, betting is our sport. Please gamble responsibly. When you are 18 years and above, I'm because cha-cha professionals as I'm king. Okay, Tradewinds Chemist. Added for pain tablets, let's syrup and also abba. Na Saturday can weigh ya would do ya one baby ya. A draw I was say no air for pain. Ma and nemo go jam job no. So be one injection. Vaccinations no go so koso. Christian say unim go for more pa.
Yeah, man for.
Oh, and many Jamie take hospital baby now. I'm for a queue or vaccine. No.
Wow, education akuyi.
Education akuyi. So much train say when he
maybe I said this in the bay. She knew
I'm say yeah no I'm for the gawo. Bear you rain your.
She know
it's only for pain now. Na o dia so until worry ya no one me painkiller. Emma unya sa symptoms ne minim you can say complications or side effects ne sa ni no bibia emma it be so tradings come say drive for pain no ya on syrup enkra de eno enkra no na enum ene what trouser 500 eno yesunsuno sasunsuno stubborn sadia we so trouser 500 be trust here e the amount your trouser tablet and trouser suspension yankura and enum na tablet yempanyin for nipa bia chekwa 2-3 months bia no also do me it withdraw any trouser and your Riddles cough syrup your Riddles baby Riddles junior Riddles adult so one anu odin say kra Riddles e be choose ase and so at the amount that's no any and some and also what me nim but please make a quick comment on in some of the to the I want to say Kotoko Eyomo ye Panson replacement for Kwampuku, but they say hearts of Ognomen ya plays almost super striker, and on your Victoria and the Boya Kwampi Pra Assembly league, and as Santiago Omo board meeting Kosuno Kotoko board no. A boss says a almost to Kwampuku on the board for no, Benjamin Tommy and Tony Yeske, the board for the buying him fancy. That Matthias said, Tono aside. They're going to go maintain the place. One to go board, no more board, a year. Sassin, we got promised 300 million. Board no more bonnie, your pie, your team will be keeping for 3 years. You bet Jimmy Biano.
No, Chawan Kipino said $300,000, but they are keeping no besides our.
Then you to me can just California, Gadam,
although no, your father Christmas.
And nothing I make us say, buy now the money for the Christmas. That is why you are bored. You formulate policies. If you go board, I'm to formulate policies. The strength of Kotoko is not any rich man somewhere. The Kotoko on the strength and it's a support base massive. Imagine if Kotoko ATT groups, Sabia, your elite group, your way gold group, your one. No mutia say 1 CD or 2 CD every month. If the board cannot do this, then you'll be there. Then from a Saba because some of them will be techia. Some will be teching quadia. So or stature, cratching you or watching Kwampuku. None is stature and so appeal to European market in the park. Also, but not just say 7-8 goals. Nobody trying about what's at home. We are not catchers of Africa in 3 years.
I want to know holding to me. Sure, will be the $200,000 crab back to Beton. They are not maximizing profit. Scam Madia, $100,000 back. Chairman, una run the Kotokorabeji. Very kaka. Real Madrid named Barcelona nominal. Greater source of their funding come from their supporters, registered supporters. You call them the socials. Bosumi bia omutieska edema club no. The last time I was checking, obaso ye Barcelona supporter, ye registered supporter, na me to be utimi tubia. Utia around 126 euros a year. For multiply by 100,000 supporters, the amount of money are ready to the club. Untikoto supporters here, can't the board management get about 100,000 Kotoko supporters are well motivated to pay at least 10 cedis a year for this club? Get them motivated. Give them reason why they must pay. 100,000 Kotoko supporters are committed and motivated. Say, okay, 100,000 here, you will pay. Chairman, say Kotoko Timina 100,000 supporters. I will be at 10 Ghana cedis Edema Club na $300,000 bar. You reject it. Because $300,000 now, the supporters will give it to you. And the supporters in the first camera get him. Under these circumstances, Kotokwasa, Africa, Akoba Africa, Abo Canadian. Chairman, $100,000 back on budget. But I don't make say Kotoko situation. No. So Omabo against two teams are defensively very poor. Kotoko went to 2 goals. Kinfesa considered 26 goals. Kotoko actually 2. Entire lies. Abo one of the worst seasons in Ghana Premier League. Kotoko actually 2 goals. Since we started, Kotoko games we never 2 goals. Carrera and Liberty. Since then, every game be Kotoko win biano just 1 goal margin. In fact, the last 5 games at Kotoko abono, chairman Kotoko actually 2 goals. Ode omoni ES team de kanwa. Some will lose 2-1. Echo ball 0-0 honum. Ball has. The next game was a 0-0 game. Enra 1-0. 5 games, 2 goals. Kwame Poku no main striker no
I said 2 goals
so to get a replacement, it must be somebody who is coming to hit the ground running. And you're foreigners, chairman. By this time, near Kassendi, Sikaba.
You're foreigners, and no man can't. Mr. Dia no more mudding. Jai, mudding. I have spoken to the CEO of Kaela. Some mudding. There was it wine. Oh, to Blair, on 300, 500 be open.
on what transfer now in proper negotiation.
Kaila FC wants to win this league. They want to go to Africa. It is all told 300,000. Kotoko 100,000 kwa komunton. It is a whole ton. You should also tell us that you bear the cost and the consequence of selling Kwampuku.
And yeah, okay. But apart from Fabio Gama, Kotoko should find somebody obey creative kakra.
Ebi a Fabio Gama nyani myebi mani ba. So no ba. Fabio Gama o boy and fire. Ana muni minyadi. So ba ya alpha. Tebi o nyebi o.
Fabio Gama no me still. Adeba kwa mi wo problem e the end product. Me hu na say wa assist and na o ma goals. They carry nya plane to the gallery. Bondi odimbo obegina so be pass. But chairman final finished product. The first game of boy I born about super omni liberty now or master Kwampuku assist no. Since then obo born there. Do you see him making an inner assist? And that's what go. The entire Man City obo without a striker. But then when Chireni said goals were coming from midfield and wingers and aneboa. It got to a point na Man City or more striker only be cry. Sergio Kun Aguero need Gabriel Jesus pra. But in fifth you go beba and Chen go beba. But Kotokonya goes from either the wingers or from midfielders. It's a best arrest will be added Kotokoba. The biggest challenge is say, okay, let's mark Kwampuku out. Kotoko is finished. Goals are not coming from other sources, and something they must address. Omoko first striker bar. They must also look at the play be or bar. What the goals ever aside striker no striker then to me and sha. There must be goals coming from other sources. Now in saying Kotoko game na nkasa other sources no chairman go ma Kwampuku kwa all corner there. They have to get a replacement. But while they are searching for a replacement, they should get a midfielder. Either say obe creative goals, obe ma a number of assists. Or we are not going to goals maybe account. But at this trend there, the one goal project coming from last season through to this season, Kotoko need to address the chairman.
Well, okay. Yeah, trust you. And trust me, say, we can't try this paper. Send message. Say, Fabio Gama fan also on Chelsea 1 assist. Penna why the whole of the time. Gama ba. Okay. Well, yeah, trust you. So say the new sensation. Anya Gama biemo. Jindo Morishita. Na Jindo akasa. Onomu akasa. Afo onomu huni profile. Over can ride in the Mamu Mrao, Siakama University. And the side in here, so Siakama Dwarfs now.
Friends and families in Ghana, my name is Jindo Morishita. I'm 25 years old, Japanese striker. Just wanted to briefly introduce myself. I was born in Japan, raised in the Netherlands, in Europe, which I started playing soccer there. I spent a year in Indonesia during my high school days. And after that, I enrolled in the University of Tsukuba, which had the best soccer team among the Japanese universities. I played there for 4 years, and after that, I traveled to Zambia and started my professional career as a footballer in FC Musa. Back then, they played in the Zambian Super League. Because of COVID, I had to go back, but now I am in Ghana, back in the African continent, and I'm very much excited to play in one of the best leagues in Africa. I was very happy to hear that the Ghanaian under-20 national team won the African tournament. So, and I'm really much excited to play football with these talented players to challenge myself here. I can't wait to expose myself in front of you all, and I hope that I could pick up more fancy. Now I can speak in Kakra, but yeah, I'll try to keep up. All right.
Abrantien or say Oko University or Japan. No, he was raised in Europe, the Netherlands. To atra honorable ball Zambia near, but Zambia no COVID no. Teams in the brand is Wabano. Okay, and right, any a big watcher no Kasama Dwarfs. I check on say omo de naba omo kuonim through a company bia ewo a Ghanaian company bi and aboa amomanya branch nti branch ne ba na abande ne say oba yie e amomo that's no okay now momia hwe enra even Champions League so far said yes yakoyo Dortmund qualify Sanso and yenya PSG yenya Liverpool and so I qualify na FC Porto and so I qualify. Okay, Christian.
Chairman.
Yeah, I'm on it. But in a tough game, pal. Manchester United is similar. I mean, a big game, but there's a Europa.
Namini BYT because a Champions League game.
A Champions League final.
And a ordinary Champions League game. A tough Champions League game.
Yeah.
But two teams, Manchester quite all about Champions League season. We United started very well, pal. The guys of course PSG. PSG are basa intimidation in 2 matches. Na Manchester question honum. Na Manchester Leipzig. All of us were wishing say United beat me qualify from the group eventually. Next game the Swatch no to me and qualify. So a big game per the standard and pedigree of the two teams, Now saying that two teams in the performance, I should have married abe Europa League game. Chairman, Benoit Hebasa game nibi. I want to ask your honest opinion. Sa penalty na ojima odite no. Ye ne omjima basa.
Ke we asin nyine boba setizo. Something via no zombo the zingofo.
Nano. The last time you PSG for film no accusation the man say ref in a boy dubious penalty mai. But I say I forgetting the player or slide it as or theater and or theater na ko pushi Suarez in the penalty area. Refugee penalty. People were saying said it wasn't a penalty. Enra Lenglet na say also a lot of penalties there. But accidentally one said that nani kura hwe and ko tia player then the referee was whistle for a penalty. Agree a chemeko. But what if that penalty was awarded in favor of Barcelona? But no dey manage and say minim say dey qualify.
But Dembele no was on.
Chairman, minim say dey qualify. Dembele they say any Liverpool no. On me ye free mu. Because you say almost 3-0 we no. Pass a Messi di man. Sa pass na Messi di man no. Se ka Dembele di ball no to atene mu a enke ye 4-0.
No such chances in nyina obo checking pansem sa. Hey.
Enra in my own honest opinion after say PSG say 4-1 e wo yen fie PSG ekura win ekura 4 away goals to qualify e away no na me say very difficult. Then I me expecting say Barca should go and play a very good game. And Enra they serve me right. Enra Bone Buye no give us a glimpse of the future Barca bitimi aye. Chairman, onim say ye kwa away there. By we game no na Barca above 63% of ball possession. That is encouraging. For a team wa eba come no eba dominate ye. E say 4-1. Then we go an away game ekobo against the same team in less than 1 month e dominate omo. That is quite encouraging. But I'm saying young coach or I think say he has to focus on doing that match. Okay, say any Sevilla Copa del Rey first leg almost say 2-0 no. Second leg na say overturning results no. Chairman over the lineup no. About 3 back. Now a loading finfino. No about ASP test mienu as the attack. And no the same thing on paper. Which was Barca about the usual 4-3-3. But the starting game na no. Also now I return to at the back 3. Me say Lenglet enemy ngweza biemwa na Frankie de Jong abeshim. Ni about double pivot. Sergio Busquets any Pedri. Sergio Dest any Jordi Alba omo as fullbacks no. Eko as wingers. Enra in FIFA no. We had the numbers to dominate. Again, Adebako say boy ni say Sergio Dest any Jordi Alba omo as wingers no. Eko not the actual wingers of Messi any Griezmann and so narrow down abeka mfimfini no ho. I'm saying that in those games now your boy ani ho chiri here na here win na obo sa system no chairman ye dominate esa win game no eti no menya sure say se atwai ekolusu game wie before say bebo this system say obo the 3 back na obo wingers na fullbacks no ebo as wingers no enso ebo as inverted wingers are. Sometimes that 2 games na ebo sa system you know ebo abasa ye pa but eba ko di ka Canada say minra say getimi take chances here Abrante na friend Dembele ni die chairman Enra 1-on-1 1v1 on several occasions he was missing those chances and that's okay Oteki at least 2 of those chances the buy man anye biakura nke benya consolation say PSG 2 legs ni wini bako o ma share bako yeso wini bako but we take consolation the fact say and we played a better game than the first game they boy no. Chairman, Oshe Liverpool sune Leipzig de kakra. Adeba kwa ne ka kire Jurgen Klopp ne say Fabinho, Fanibo ni sweeping role no number 6.
So no Boga Francis and Ganjo still Basari.
Oh, na say no one is no be no or dispute that fact no. Yeah, we first leg no. First leg na we are na you film na page abesha 4-1 or come no. Then a bit my yafa.
Honorable worry. Honorable worry no go obi so be ba one of the man. Honorable worry.
Na ya bontim common. Na ya bontim common.
Hey, Barcelona. Honorable worry.
Enra
say honorable, but say worry.
Enra onse Liverpool obo Nathaniel Phillips no any Ozan Kabak a centre back.
But Fabinho be general.
One problem because Fabinho.
Yeah.
The entire can say in fact the same Liverpool here you know. No about 6 games at twice or don't me win be. 6 games now about on me win be no. Now we can Fulham can. Na Fulham no. So Enra for 2 games against Leipzig. Now Liverpool could play a clean sheet. I think they've done well. But Adiana Obia expecting say Abrante Fen Fabinho na all missed no from Nisa 6th row na Obianum say how no the best no. Enra we saw what Liverpool were mixing Abro Fabinho free and number 6 one. Enra amazing performance from Abrante Fen Fabinho. Dentia Nathaniel Phillips and Ozan Kabak enya so much problem. What that sweeping row na Fabinho and so ebo Edema Liverpool no. Now chairman, for the first time since 2008, Liverpool bought Champions League knockout game in 2 legs. Oman consider goal. The last time we was 2008. Real Madrid 2 legs. Winning na Oman consider goal. So even though say Liverpool performance number and say no, and should I koye this time we are only concerned into a top 4. As we speak now, Liverpool has 7 points off top 4. Which makes it very, very difficult to say about top 4. But for the Champions League, any qualification, at this stage, what it will do for them, say, chairman, it brings confidence back. Confidence on Liverpool, France, you could see from their play, say the number of losses now more lose so much confidence. By now, what is that 2 games win, and we need to qualify to the next stage. It brings confidence back. I never quite saw how Liverpool said, and they were so much wasteful. Also, Mohamed Salah, season way in all competitions, Salah has 25 goals in all competitions. But Enra, I think it was a bit wasteful. Senka, me a bit clinical. Or no, any other players, no, Diego Jota, no, any man, no, a bit clinical. Maybe Scholar could have been a bit different from the Ehun Enra, no. But having gone 6 games without a win, now you a win Enra against Leipzig. Chairman, me sure say they will survive it. Number confidence about, but they are quite no more messy. As Fabinho absence in Mayfield now, and no the moment. For AC Milan, Manchester United game today. Manchester are 17 games unbeaten. They have a lot of form. AC Milan so Efras here at the side resurgence neighbor. Medical catch was the way it's supposed to be a Champions League game, but Europa game. No, it's a big game. It's a big game now. I hear about quite a boy and say. Was the Europa League in the SI live on Star Times. It benya wider coverage any bit me ahwebia. Ya me adma chairman chinaba. You talk much about our game.
Okay, Obi. Champions League amano ne de no. And then so obviously I mean you say ba go say you only one big game in there. And one Arsenal Olympiacos. Ya kan nyina am so na nya de sa.
Arsenal Olympiacos. And so a Champions League match.
So Champions League group stage.
No na chese. Yeah, chairman, my main and share same free be a Christian as far as our classic game no United and AC Milan. Unfortunately, there's no Zlatan for this game. There's no Benassa, there's no Theo Hernandez, there's no Hakan Çalhanoğlu, there's no Ante Rebic, there's no Mario Mandzukic. Man United, so there's no Rashford, there's no Pogba, there's no Edson Cavani. It's a classic game, but we are missing some very classic actors as well. But the United are favorites. They say now say Man City share, Man United are more ball in terms of possession, but they were pragmatic. More defense. In fact, the last 4 games at United are bono. Keep clean sheets or games ni munina. Enti a team wa Echiro Hono, Maguire, Aaron, Wan-Bissaka, Luke Shaw, Lindelof, and then the two dependable holding midfielders, Fred and Scott McTominay, Mrantie we no modemono dear so and of course wasama David here competition in Henderson. I think so for quarter-final stages, be saying what is important, especially for the first leg, you don't concede a goal. And of course, AC Milan will be relying on Rafael Leao, Castillejo, Brahim Diaz, Frank Kessié, Sandro Tonali, Krunic, Meite. I think Milan sharpness to anymore and Esubeti Kakra. And this is a United side. They say solid, and they have, in my estimation, the best player in the Premier League in Bruno Fernandes and Martial, Mason Greenwood. United, they are quite formidable. Of course, Stefano Pioli, but for this first leg of Old Trafford, dear. I want to repeat the scoreline of Man United City. I'll go for United 2. Especially when it's English, Italians, a different ball game. English, England for omu intensity no osro kakra Italian Serie A no into omu counter no ne Americano and finishing no na breed Italians na so. And I think that in my estimation at the end of the 90 minutes of football na Gianluigi Donnarumma and Ebabe the best player. Sani Anura Keylor Navas here the best player for Paris Saint-Germain. Or no best player my AC Milan. So I'm going for United 2 AC Milan 0. Chairman, Liverpool for situation also now quite critical kakrao because we check the Premier League table now. Liverpool for tosun watch almost 43 points. Chelsea for tosun 9. Almost 50 points. It's the difference between Liverpool or Tosun Watche and a place in the top 4 Benya Champions League in Biabono. 7 points. Of course, Man City cried 68 points or more. It's the difference between Liverpool or Tosun Watche and Man City or no that's wrong. 25 points. So technically, Liverpool cannot defend the Premier League title. There was some Priano top 4. No matter me Sambe see a kind of Champions League nim. And no Juma Baku. And of course, we check the Premier League no for Liverpool. I got 10 matches. Ombeko away to Wolves. Ombeko away to Arsenal. Ombeko home against Aston Villa. Ombeko away to Leeds. Ombeko home to Newcastle. Now Man United abo and we away match. Man United photo sumienu. Southampton ombebo home. No mako West Bromwich Albion away. No money Burnley abo away. No man we fear against Crystal Palace. Into 10 matches. 10 matches 30 points. And where the ho. Says no young say Fabinho abai any more Salah ne Sadio Mane mo she goals yi bebre na susu sanka Liverpool team no anka mo mfa Nat Phillips, Nico Williams, na guy na Keita, Jadon Shaqiri, Jota, yes, Diogo Jota, Milner, Curtis Jones, Origi, Chamberlain nomno, omunfo mu embo league no. Na Sadio Mane nom, any Salah nom, any while now domine Fabinho nom no, omo Champions League no. Because Champions League na ka 5 matches. Quarter-finals mienu, semi-finals mienu, and a final back. Now to me rest our boys we are senior year against Fulham no. Of course omo lose our game no. It was Mario Lamina NHS our goal omo lose 1-0. But omo mass our boys no munya be mono and more because I think it will be difficult for Liverpool to get into the top 4. In time come to me winning Champions League now. No more day as a defending champion.
Champions League.
And I Liverpool to me. It's almost Salah almost and because they have to rest some of these boys, especially Fabinho. More injury pro no. Come more league no. Concentrate our Champions League no. Non far Curtis Jones no. More league no. No more have bia. More able to me Edru. But chama enano. We are the top 5 centre backs or more we are here. Odi Marquinhos Beckham Paris Saint-Germain for captain and captain. Yeah.
Is it Medin Beckham?
Yes. On this one, Habib Mohamed Kakrao. So to me, boss 6.
Could you all sarcasm?
Or to me, boss 6. And yes, Paris Saint-Germain have qualified. Keylor Navas man of the match and all of that. But your player Biba could be a friend of Marquinhos. Thiago Silva call no omu share down
but PSG still on me at the perform call you. And tell me the Cabazona, some
Romatada na see 2 years 2017 no muso say be besasi and you on board sano because Messi will bo mu awa him say na situation no different. Now Paris Saint-Germain and that Mr. Pochettino so my who say look they've beaten Barcelona of all teams without Neymar. Well, winning Champions League without Neymar, I have my doubts because Neymar adds a bit of quality to a team, no. But I think generally, was star player bisa now to me bought over 2 legs. No one fit Neymar or match back ukura. It means that they are building a solid unit. In kakaka teamwork no anymore. Or so any. I'm not too sure say match I born run or Parc des Princes no. About the last game for Lionel Messi in the Champions League for Barcelona because. On one kasa koto abani bi on ne ba Matthew ne koye so obi a wa koto aba bi a kire say ya oman o say ya football club o say ya adwuma bia mo no o ni daso bi say debi no bibi betumi asi and in the case of Barcelona input wo betumi aba so I'm sure say a lot of Barcelona supporters and nje but the mere fact of say Messi and obi anim say enra an official handing over ne course say Ronaldo ni Messi omo de baton no e man kwala no Haaland and Mbappe because me sure say unless Barcelona for ye bibi sronko ewo next season here babesimu with Lionel Messi as the head of the project but I'm not too sure that Barca betime win the Champions League anymore unless omo tutoto Mbappe no bi bekeka kan o esikasem so ehun ayedin Barcelona for the Cabebria by the end of this July was say omo ekotua enti Ronaldo and Messi finally out I'm sure says see ade de yehun picture ne clear Paris Saint-Germain Man City and Bayern Munich emu baako na obetumi age Champions League no am almost so etumi akomenim but of course penalty no I have in fact I don't know but this time the senior football you see corner there especially time across the Bayern no Maro Icardi ne ball no ni asemo but referee they say because there was absolutely no way ball and kebedru Maro Icardi so Clement Lenglet penalty no koye no I mean who dientia na was ade no etumi esi but nyina mu no I guess Barcelona will learn their lessons. It's not a very competitive squad. 3-back no sooner and to have Frankie de Jong playing the 3-back and the way he played and said in fact presidential election no all of a sudden Sergio Busquets is playing good and Messi running kakra Antoine Griezmann the defender it's not bad but I'm sure sir
there's a place in Laporta by no more.
I'm saying
okay.
But Chama where's why a controversial kakra encroachment I'm saying can was a Messi penalty no or somebody retaken but I do not see the encroachment my
sir you nice so is it is it Di Maria or
no
24
Marco Verratti we know I am say I don't know obey mu no
box no
okay semi we no
okay
arc no ni kwase na oba ho
okay encroachment ni nyina na no oh na say we did because my head there na me who be encroachment no so I was wondering
okay
what happened.
Well